The strategic plan was really led by the vision of Dean Casentini, but also in collaboration with our faculty, our staff, our students, as well as our industry partners. And that collaboration led to the creation of 3 priorities that are going to lead the college into the next 5 years.
The College of Computing is committed to ensuring student success from enrollment to employment and beyond. This commitment is driven by 4 key goals and a set of strategic initiatives designed to attract and retain high-quality students, expand experiential learning opportunities, strengthen connections with our alumni.
Another key priority in our strategic plan is to inspire relevant research, impactful innovation, and mutually beneficial partnerships with our community.
One of our main priorities at the College of Computing is to accelerate and expand the success of our faculty and staff members. We will achieve this through supporting and recognizing excellence, cultivating leadership, promoting a greater sense of belonging, and enhancing the overall job satisfaction.
To reach that vision, we need you. So please join us. We need your ideas, we need your insight, and most of all, we need your dreams.
Computing Lakers.
Computing Lakers.
Computing Lakers.
Computing Lakers.
Always reach higher.